just walking Mabel, we got caught in the rain. Now it's giving Twilight vibes. So I'm just gonna reenact Twilight scenes. This is my audition for Jacob.
Are you sure it's not Edward?
Why would you say that?
Look at you.
Bella, where the hell have you been, Loca? Scene number 1. My next one is gonna be Jasper hitting the baseball. No, that was dumb. Evan? No, not dumb too. It's something like that. No, I'm doing like a double bounce. No, now that's a single piece. How does he do it?
It's like,
Is there like a little like...
I don't know.
No, that's dumb. No, I feel like it's quick though. No.
Anywho.
Mabel, how do you do it? Is it that kind of a thing?
I don't think so.
It's something like that. This is only based off of memory.
Do Alice.
It's something crazy. I think I'm actually gonna nail this one. That was actually pretty good. She does it twice.
No, she doesn't,
Are you
Anne.
saying it's something like this?
Yes. Precisely.
Now this is when Jacob saves Bella. I have an idea. You're gonna be my Bella, Mabel. Bella, run! Hold on, spider monkey. Ooh, that one hurt.